join me now and welcome on stage a pride of Nigeria, internationally acclaimed entertainer, Basket Mouth. Basket Mouth, let's put our hands together.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the way the guy introduced me, I didn't know it was me when he said internationally acclaimed. That's why nobody clapped. People were like, who is that? But ladies and gentlemen, we're here to celebrate a great bank. And we're celebrating the future. The future is what it is right now. Most people don't get it. But what is happening right now is where we are supposed to be heading to. I realized, or rather I just found out, that Tesla, the automated car, you can now charge it in 1 hour. Now the Porsche car, they are competing with Tesla. Theirs, you can charge in 30 minutes. Not only can you charge it in 30 minutes, the car can also use gas fuel, which means when the car is running, the car is charging the battery. That's technology. When they said I was doing this event, I was like, okay, let me check a little about the app. And I checked, and I realized you can actually open an account, express account, in your house in 5 minutes. You don't have to go to a bank to take picture to prove anything that you exist. You can just open the account. Let me see something. Now, people don't understand why what I'm talking about now is very important. Because I'm talking now, everybody just look at me. So, you'll understand now. Let me see. Let me see now. Prove this thing. And I'll use you, sir. Sir. Yeah. Sir, when you open, I can't use you, but I will not, I can't use you. Sir, when you opened your first account, how many years did it take before, how many days did it take before you opened the account?
At that time, it's an old school thing. So it took about 1 week.
1 week to open only? So some people want like 2 weeks?
Yes, even 3 months.
Some people 3 months, because I had 3 months to open an account. 3 months. And how many documents? You provide your house land, your paper, your property paper, your marriage certificate.
Then it's my birth certificate, and
you don't ask for land papers?
No.
You sure?
They didn't ask for marriage paper.
What about your blood group? What else?
Well, it's even in advance. It's for the advantage.
Now, the reason why I'm doing this is to make you understand how things are advanced. That advanced to the point whereby from 3 weeks or 3 months, you can now open an account in 5 minutes. That is where the future should be. Now, I'm going to ask somebody else. Sir, are you here with your wife? Yes. Madam, now, this technology again, I want to show you the difference between old school and new school. When Oka was asking you out, those days.
She asked him out.
I don't know if they asked her, but Oka, did you ask her out when you went to meet the father? Okay, so did you guys communicate? You guys used to use letters to communicate? Letter. How many to communicate? If you want to ask for a date, how many weeks? 2 weeks. 2 weeks before you can get a response. Yes. Now, these small girls of nowadays for Lagos. Look at our fathers. 2 weeks to communicate with their girlfriend. 2 weeks they have to wait to open an account. 3 months. 2 weeks for letter. Okay, not be 2 weeks you talk. 2 weeks. These days, your babe will send you a text message. 5 minutes later, she will send you another text message. Baby, did you get my last message? Why can't you respond? Now I call my wife. I say, honey, I'm sorry, I'm busy. She say, what of it was an emergency? Why didn't you respond? I say, which kind of emergency will come make you the send text? So armed robbers to come house, you will carry your phone. Honey, some armed robbers just came into the house now. Please reply. Honey, I said the armed robbers just came. They have guns. I'm waiting for you. Won't you? If emergency, then you will call me. Women don't spoil. But guess what? Women, they are like gifts from God. So even if they don't spoil, you have to accept it. Adam was the only person. Eve wasn't supposed to be there. Adam was bored. Eve now came into the picture as a way to keep him company. So men, the next time you see your wife or your girlfriend, consider them as a gift. Because they're not supposed to be here. I'm telling you, they're not forced. Now we supposed to suffer this suffer. I'm telling you. See what happened. Adam was alone. They give him Eve. Now, if you need something, like they give you a gift, say they give you the iPhone X, a gift, the new one. What will you do? You hold it. When you get home, you set it up. Early morning, before daybreak, you don't carry phone, you open app. Open app, go Instagram, go Instablog, insult people, comment, go Facebook, go WhatsApp. Before you now turn to look at your wife, say, honey, good morning. The real gift, stay here, you know, greet her first. You carry the fake gift. And women, they're like phones. I'm sorry to use that description, but women be like phones. Like your phone, when you open like 8, 10 apps, the phone they hang. Abi, then what do? You can't put off the app, you close the app, or you reset the phone, hard reset. Women be like phone. As women wake up, all their mind now different things to do. She will wake up. Oh, the kids, they need to iron their clothes. Down at one app. Oh, they need to cook. What are they going to eat? Oh, they ate Indomie yesterday, so they need to eat rice this morning. Another app. They need to take their bath. Another app. My husband needs to go to work. He's late. I need to cook his food. Another app. Oh, my husband, I've not done this one. I've not cleaned the kitchen. I've not cleaned the toilet. See different apps. At some point, they go hang. That is when they say those they are rubbish when they go talk. Now app hang. For men, what a man is supposed to do then is to do what you do to your phone. What do you do to your phone when the phone hang? You close the app, call reset app. What do you do to your wife when your wife hang? You shout for her. Why are you shouting? All you need to do is to close the app. How do you close the app? Say, honey, don't worry. I'll take the kids to school. That app don't close. Honey, don't worry. I'll give them food this morning. That app don't close. Honey, don't worry. I'll do this one. That's how you close the app. You will try to reset. Do you understand? Simple things. Now when you talk about wealth. Oh, money good though. The person that said money is not everything, I'm supposed to slap her. Now poor man talk with that. Money is everything. Right after oxygen. Now money. Waiting past. Take up. Right after oxygen. Anything else now money. And you cannot talk about wealth without talking about Abraham. What's it called? King Solomon. Sorry. King Solomon was worth $2 trillion then. So which means by now, it will be 200 trillion. See money? In money plenty to the point that he had 700 wives. Yes. And 300 concubines. Yes. See the place on quiet. Some women will be only wife, not just quiet. Say, not true. Now 700, another man get. Why they shout for my husband every day? But that was how it was. But guess why he was able to pull it off? Because there was money. Too much money. 700 wives? What? And guess what? All the 700 wives were all from royal blood, which means their papa gave money. But his money too much. The papa their money small. Now the 300 concubines, let me make it easy for you. It's called side chicks. But Bible make a day nice. Concubines. Guess what? If they change the name of side chicks now to concubines, women don't will vex again. Say, look, your husband side chick with that. It's your girl. But if I say, your husband concubine with that, she's not bad, sure. I'm just kidding. That thing is never nice to anybody. But notice how powerful a man has to be to have 700 wives. Now, Apple just celebrated $1 trillion. This man had 2 trillion hundreds of years ago. Apple celebrate 1 trillion. Now, King Solomon, let's value his money at 2 trillion, which means Dangote, Femi Otedola, Mark Zuckerberg, the Amazon guy, all of them, their money no reach in tithe. Think of King Solomon tithe get money past all these people that I just mentioned, which means the tithe of the tithe. Man, there's wealth, man. I'm telling you the truth. But let's not talk about that for too long. We're here to celebrate technology. We're here to celebrate the future, which is where we are going to. Now we talk about the fact that the youths of the children are the future. Yes, they are. But there are some things that they need to get right. We are always busy complaining and blaming the government. But what has made Nigeria what it is today is not the government. It's people like you guys. What you people are doing today. These are the things that make Nigeria great. The fact that somebody can go to his app and do all these things. The fact that we, the musicians, are going out to celebrate, to represent the country. That's what's making Nigeria great. But people are always busy complaining. The government, it's not the government. The problem of Nigeria is not the government. It is us. Simple. And if I tell you what the problem is, you won't believe it. It's fish. Fish. It's fish. Fish that you eat is a problem. Scientifically, it's been proven that fish has omega-H3, right? It improves your memory. It improves your memory, so you remember better. So these politicians that are coming to give these our people 1 bag of rice, 1 groundnut oil, if they eat enough fish, they will remember that they are the same politician that gave it to them 4 years ago. So they won't do it. But when they give them bag of rice, groundnut oil, and 5, they don't give them fish. So all they give them is carbohydrates. So they will eat and forget that this same person that give us bag of rice, they will now vote again. Nobody's eating fish, I'm telling you. See, Tiwa Savage and T-Bills, they broke up, forgot, and got back together, and forgot again. See, P-Square. Those ones, they don't even eat fish at all. They will break up, come back, break up, remember, come back, break up, come back. We need to eat fish in this country. Now, if I ask you, how did I start my performance? What was the first thing I said? You guys have forgotten. You need to eat fish this night. I'll see you guys later this week.
For more entertaining video content such as behind the scenes of music videos and movies, music concerts, premieres, interviews, and exclusive gists, subscribe now to our YouTube channel Goldmine TV and be unleashed into a world of super excitement.